Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the data scientist syllabus. So in data scientist, we will learn about statistics and probability. In that, we will learn descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and some probability. And we will learn about core Python. Everything in the core Python we will cover. We will learn data structures and algorithms, Git. We will learn database and SQL, data analysis techniques, machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, each and every machine learning algorithm topic. We will cover deep learning, deployments, how to deploy the models on the cloud. Also, we will touch AWS. We will learn Power BI Advanced Excel. So this whole series will be complete data science series. You will learn about everything, how to build machine learning models and making them live on the cloud platform. So I hope you guys will join us and you will purchase this course. Thank you.